What's going on, guys? Note C here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Moto E Power. Let's just get right to it. In here you have cushion things, and here's the actual phone. And you have some weird paperwork stuff that nobody cares about. Yeah, nobody cares about that. Let's just go in here, look at the phone. Whoa, this is not like Apple unboxing. This is pretty cool though. It's by Consumer Cellular. That's the Moto E Power. Looks pretty cool. This battery is huge. It has 5,000 milliamps and it has 16 megabyte triple. It has 3 cameras. And it also has 64 gigs of memory. That's not too much, but it'll do. How do I open this thing? There's a secret tab thing in the back. Okay, hold on. All right, let's open this bad boy up. What the heck? This is super embarrassing. This is taking this time. There we go. Move this crap out of here. Now we have the phone. I've never unboxed a Moto before. Motorola. This looks pretty cool. Look at this all-screen display. The camera has a little punch out right there. It's pretty cool. Inside we have the charger. Nice. We have the little SIM card slot thing. Then we have the charging brick. So get this crap out of here. Then we have the actual phone itself. Little paperwork on it. This thing looks absolutely amazing. It looks super clean, really shiny, looks really nice. So this is what came in the box. Charger, the phone obviously, and SIM card thing. I can't wait to turn this thing on and show you guys how it looks. I just turned it on and there's actually some juice left in it. This all-screen display looks amazing. Ooh, it's vibrating. Wow, this looks so nice. What's the resolution of the screen? Resolution of the screen is, whoa, that's so cool. 6.4 inch with FHD plus display. Not sure what that means, but this is super cool. Well, hope you guys like the unboxing. This is the unboxing of Moto E Power. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.